gonna hurt.
Cats don't have dicks.
Oh my god, I thought he was wiggling there. He
What?
can stick his tail in her ass.
Are you? What kind of fetish is that?
He's humping. He was.
He's still stepping on her.
He was humping before.
Skip to the end. The end is probably like.
Oh.
Oh.
Whoa. Where's the penis though?
Oh.
They're just like.
You're still stepping on each other. Well,
How is this hot cat sex?
Boring.
Just watch the giraffes.
Wait. Oh!
Oh my
Did you
god.
see that?
And they're still stepping. Watch.
No, just look. Just look.
No, I think they're gonna switch to elephants.
No, they're too fat and wrinkly.
You see that? Oops. In this way.